Hi guys, this is an online tutorial for 24/8 game. I'm Shrikant Moa. This 24/8 game is designed by Italian youngster Gabriele based on Minmax algorithm.
So guys, this is a basic grid of your 2048 game. In order to win this game, you have to make 2048 in one of the tile. It's preferred to make 2048 at your right bottom tile, and then as you go up, the number should be decreasing, like 2 power n would be the maximum, 2 power n minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 as you go up. So the column 4 would be your scoring column, and column 3 would be the supporting column to get numbers piled up in the same fashion which we have mentioned in column 4. So in an empty tile, the probability of getting a 2 is only 90% and 4 is 10%. To achieve a proper 2048 in the minimum time, there are a few basic moves which you have to use. So it's preferred to move the right and down move always. At certain cases you can use up, and it's preferred not to use your left because it would all mess up the arrangement which you have made in column 4. So once you get 2048, you can still increase the maximum number which you have scored. The maximum tile which you can achieve is 65,536, that is 2 power 16. To get that, you have to pile numbers in such a way that you get 2 power 15 at your right bottom tile, and then 2 power 14, 13, 12 and so on in a snake pattern. So once you get 65,536, the probability of doubling that number is only 10%. Once you score the maximum number 65,536, to double that there is only 10% of probability, because at a left empty tile, if at all you get a 4, you can add 4 and 4 to get an 8, 16 and then 32 and go on in a snake order and pile 2 power 17 at your right bottom tile. But there is 10% of probability in getting a number 4, but 90% of probability is getting 2, so your one would be mostly over. So guys, let me demonstrate how to achieve 2048 tile. Before, let me show my high score, which is 65,536. This is the maximum which you can achieve, and my game is still on. So this is how your game opens. You have to pile the maximum number at your right bottom. To do that, you have to use two moves majorly. One is your right move and the other one is the down move. Occasionally you can use up move, but it's at the maximum cases it's better to avoid your left move because it will mess up all the alignment in your column 4. These are the formulas to know the number of moves required to achieve a particular tile and the amount of score which you can get. So Mn refers to the number of moves and Sn refers to score which you can achieve. If it's 2048, it's 2 power 11, so N refers to 11. So number of moves required to achieve 2048. If at all you get all 2's, you require 2 power n minus 1 minus 1 moves to achieve 2048. If at all you get all 4's, you require 2 power n minus 2 minus 1 moves, but you get 4 for 10% and 2 for 90%. So the number of moves which you require will be in between these two numbers. Similarly will be the score. So if at all you get all 2's, it's 2 power n minus 1, which has a probability of 10%, 90%. If at all it's 4, it's 2 power n minus 2, which is 10%. So the score would be in between these two numbers.